Hello dear friends, in the previous two lectures we have covered the starting points of air pollution chapter, which contains what is pollution, different types of pollution, what is air pollution, and causes, that is sources of air pollution. So in today's lecture we are going to cover the effects of air pollution. The air pollution effects contains effect of air pollution on environment, on human health, as well as on animals. So firstly we will discuss about the effect of air pollution on environment. As we know that the air pollution contains two types of pollutant. First is primary and secondary air pollutants. Primary air pollutants sometimes react with natural components of air, and also when two primary pollutants react with each other, then the secondary air pollutants are produced. Mostly these secondary air pollutants are the contents of acid rain. When this acid rain comes in contact with the different sources of water, then different chemicals are added into the water, which will drastically affect badly on the overall environment of around the earth. So what is acid rain actually? So acid rain is the rain which contains different chemicals which are harmful. Sometimes sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, then carbon monoxide reacts with each other. They form some acids like sulfuric acid and nitric acid, which will act as the components of acid rain. So these are the reactions of actually formation of different acids. Sulfur dioxide gets react with oxygen and water, form sulfuric acid. Nitrogen oxide reacts with oxygen and water, form nitric acid. So these acids, when comes down with the rain, then the rain is called as acid rain. Second effect of air pollution on the environment is the eutrophication. Eutrophication is nothing but the addition of nitrogen and phosphorus in the natural sources of water. This addition of nitrogen and phosphorus results into the algae formation. In Marathi, we called it as a sheva. This algae formation affects the aquatic life of animals. It also disturbs the natural food chain. The third effect of air pollution is the depletion of ozone layer. As we have discussed earlier, ozone is present in stratosphere also and in troposphere also. The ozone which is present in stratosphere is advantageous to human being as it avoids the harmful ultraviolet radiation, and the ozone layer or ozone gas present in the troposphere, means near to the earth's surface, it is harmful to human health. Generally, the sun rays incident on a surface reflected back to the atmosphere, but due to presence of different gases like carbon dioxide, methane, the gas gets trapped, which results into global warming as we know. There are also some CFC gases, chlorofluorocarbons, which are affecting this ozone layer. This chlorofluorocarbons reacts with ozone and it converts it into oxygen. Hence, the ozone layer gets depleted. This is the figure which will indicate how the ozone layer gets depleted. This is the natural process of depleting the ozone layer by CFC gases. The ultraviolet radiation strikes chlorofluorocarbons, which contains atoms of chlorine. The chlorine atoms get separated. One of the chlorine atom collides with ozone molecule, and this ozone molecule gets break, and it forms chlorine monoxide, and remaining is the ordinary oxygen. Again, this free atom of oxygen collides with chlorine and monoxide, and it again forms the oxygen and separate atom of chlorine, which is again attack on a ozone molecule. Hence, these chlorofluorocarbons are to be reduced. And these are the outputs of our air conditioners, as well as some paints and different chemicals, refrigerators. So this depletion of ozone layer can cause skin cancers, sunburns, and can reduce the immune system of human being. It also affects the photosynthesis process, which will damage the food chain of the environment. It also causes the global warming effect, greenhouse effect, etc. Now, the effect of air pollution on human beings. There are several effects. It is harmful for respiratory system, then for cardiovascular diseases. It also causes the cancer. Now we are going to discuss in detail that how this air pollution is affecting human beings. So we have taken some major components of air pollution which are affecting human health and their effects on human body. Firstly, we have taken carbon monoxide, which is the major outcome of the automobile pollution. This carbon monoxide enters into the bloodstream of human beings through the lungs and combines with hemoglobin. And this substance in the blood carries oxygen to cells. So in this way, the CO interferes with the ability of the blood to transfer oxygen to the organs. Means the carbon monoxide disturbs the flow of oxygen to the different parts, different tissues of human body. Secondly, we have taken lead as a major component of air pollution. Lead is the outcome of different manufacturing processes, as well as some natural processes also produce lead. Mining is also one of the major production of lead component. When this lead component get interact with the human body, it can cause memory loss. It can affect the digestive system, nervous system, reproductive system of the human beings in adults. For children also, it can reduce the IQ of the children. It can also reduce the muscle power of children. Next component is ozone. As we have already discussed, the ozone is also present in troposphere near to the Earth's surface, which we inhaled this ozone. It can cause different symptoms like burning eyes. It can produce shortness of breath. It can produce chest pain. Likewise, there are different components or different effects of ozone on human. The nitrogen dioxide also affect the respiratory system. It can also affect different long-term effects on the animals also.